Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic of discussion is accommodation. We will explain different points of accommodation. First of all, we will explain the definition of accommodation, the situations in which accommodation will not remain normal. We will explain that situations. First of all, what is the definition of accommodation? Basically, the mechanism through which eye changes the refractive power to focus the objects is called accommodation. You can say in this case the eye changes its refractive power. Basically, accommodation controls the refractive power of intraocular lens, we can say the natural crystalline lens. When we are doing the near work, accommodation increases. When we are doing distance work, accommodation decreases. During near work, accommodation increases. During near work, ciliary body, ciliary muscles which are attached with zonules, they relaxes the crystalline lens, and then lens become fatty, lens become thicker. Its mean accommodative power or refractive power increases, focusing power increases. But when we are doing distance work, here the lens become thinner because the ciliary muscles which are attached with the zonules contract. When they contract, then they elongate the lens. Its mean lens become thinner, focusing power of lens decreases, refractive power of lens decreases. Basically, this is the basic concept of accommodation. Now, what are the situations in which accommodation does not remain normal? First point is presbyopia. Basically, this is an age-related factor. This is not a disease. This is a normal procedure. This takes place with everyone. What is presbyopia? In this case, what is taking place? With the passage of the time, the lens fibers becomes thicker, lens fibers start hardening. When lens fibers start hardening, the ability of lens to become thicker, to become thinner, to become fatty, the elasticity of lens fibers decreases. When elasticity of lens power decreases, then focusing power of the lens decreases, or we can say the accommodative power of lens decreases. It's mean with the passage of the time, after the age of 40, accommodation of the lens decreases. Second point is insufficiency. Here what is accommodation insufficiency? How it took place? Now, when ciliary muscle weakens, then accommodation insufficiency take place. In which cases ciliary muscles weakens, or in which case accommodation insufficiency take place? It takes place in case of different diseases like anemia, malnutrition, glaucoma. In case of these diseases, accommodation insufficiency take place. Third one is paralysis. Paralysis of muscles takes place. Muscles totally become paralyzed. Complete accommodation loss takes place, in which case complete accommodation loss takes place. There are 3 to 4 cases in which accommodation loss takes place: diabetes, alcohol, nerve palsy, and diphtheria. In this case, palsy of different nerves takes place. You can say third nerve palsy takes place, or any other nerve palsy takes place. In this case, sleep muscles paralyzes and a total accommodation loss takes place. Last and fourth one is spasm of accommodation. In this case, what happens? In this case, spasm of accommodation took place for time being. Here the paralysis or loss of accommodation is not permanent. It is just for time being. It took place because of miotic drugs. The drugs, which drugs? Cholinesterase blockers like atropine. Atropine blocks the receptors for time being. Then spasm of accommodation took place. These cholinesterase blockers not only myose or dilate the muscles, they also decrease the function of ciliary muscle. They also decrease the function of ciliary muscles for a special time, temporarily. This is basically accommodation. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you can get knowledge from every coming video. Thank you so much.